Welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, we will discuss what does the grace period on your account means. So let's start. Whenever you will log in on your account and you see that you are able to see the status of your account on grace, that usually means that your current subscription has expired, and once the current subscription is expired, your account status will show you on grace. So grace means that you have active 15 days from the account. So within that 15 days, you can upgrade yourself to the same plan, or if you do not do so, after 15 days your account will be automatically freezed and you need to pay again to get the service activated. So this is what the grace period means. In case if you have any questions regarding the same, please do reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.